With a red close to the week, there's less optimism for a quick return to the 190s to get the chart on a shallower decline. Then if price keeps dropping along this fan line, there could be greater potential for support and a downward overextension approaching near 150 towards the final week of March, as marked by where the spiral, fan, and time zone lines converge. Though if there's a close under 148 before April, conditions could improve for a bearish continuation. Then if the market remains really undecided, it could continue in this horizontal range, but that looks less likely at this time. Also remember to stay tuned and subscribe for coverage of more charts, along with a series on how to use the Fibonacci time zone tools. Now onto the crude oil chart, where 82.30 is a relatively weak level. However, it could present stronger resistance if price continues to rise towards the end of the week due to the intersection with the spiral and upper boundary of the channel during the next interval of time zone lines. And if the uptrend continues at its current pace, bearish retracements are perfectly normal. Pay attention to the midline of the channel and 78.50, along with the lower boundary and 76.20. Could present particularly strong support during this intersection.